nĩ atĩ Minister wa Ũgitĩri wa Thĩinĩ kana Minister wa Ũgima wa Mwĩrĩ nĩwe Susan Nakhumicha nĩ etĩkĩrĩte atĩ nĩ kwari na njama ya gĩbangĩtwo ya gũkorwo makiungumia na gũkorwo makĩhama mbeca cia mũingĩ na makĩria kugerera kandarathi iria ciakianĩtwo nĩ rũhonge rũrũ rwa ũnyagia wa mĩthaiga bũrũri-inĩ nĩ Rwa Kemsa. Gũkĩrĩ na gũkĩrĩ ũguo nĩ kũgĩte na kĩriga na kĩũria kĩnene hihi nĩ magĩkorirwo makĩnyitanĩra harĩ ungumania ũyũ.
Head of the Division of Reproductive Maternal Health. Thank you.
Chair, I want to agree with Chair Mandago that previously how the ministry has run, we have had vendor-driven projects, vendor-driven specifications, and for some consumables. But we are now cracking it. But I agree with Senator Mandago, it has been happening where a vendor comes, speaks to a junior officer, and they start tailor-making things to suit the product of that vendor. So that is not going to happen moving forward. Now, because once we digitize, we estimate that we shall be able to cut off close to 50 to 60% of fraud that happens within the ministry. Fraud that is as a result of officers engaging with vendors, officers changing specifications to suit certain vendors, that we should be able to cut with using digitization. And the senator has rightfully noted that staff are using personal emails. My first that I issued when I landed at the Ministry of Health is that to ensure everybody has an official email and is using the official email that the board. So it is my expectation that they should be able to manage the affairs of Kemsa. And in my earlier response, there was a question on allowing Kemsa to play its role without interference from the ministry. And I said, one of the enablers of that is the board, and number two, the budget that they have.
Narĩo itemi-inĩ rĩa